Good morning, dear children. Standard 3. How are you? I think all of you are fine. So, children, we will study about numbers, one and many. One noun and many noun. One and many. So, come. We will learn numbers. So, here, children, today we will start unit number 3. How many numbers? So look here in worksheet number 1. Look at this picture. One boy. One boy. Here all of you see 1, 2, 3. 3 boys. Here children you see that S is added after Y. S is added after Y. B-O-Y-S. One boy, 3 boys. For many, here S is added after Y. S is added after Y. One boy, 3 boys. One boy, 3 boys. S is added after Y. Now look at this picture. Bird. One bird. One bird. Now here all of you see how many birds are sitting on the branch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 birds. Here you see S. S is added after D. One bird, and for many S is added. S add किया गया है. 5 birds. D के बाद S add किया गया है and it becomes birds. 5 birds. 5 birds. Now look at this picture. One egg. One egg. Now here see. So many eggs are there. Let us count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 eggs. S is added after G. This G, S is added. This S is added. So 7 eggs. Now come to this picture. One ship. One ship. How many ships? 1, 2. 2 ships. 2 ships. Here S is added after P. 2 ships. So these all are noun. It is singular noun. This is plural noun. It is singular noun and this is plural noun. Okay children? Now let us move to our next page. So look at this picture. This is a picture of a clock. One clock. Now look at this. There are so many clocks. Let us count it. 1, 2, 3, 4. So how many clocks? 4 clocks. Here S is added. Now always remember, we add S to some naming words to make them many. Like C-A-R-D, card, S is added. It becomes cards. Card, cards. Animal, animals. Animal, animals. Now here. Now come on to this question number 2. Count the things in the following pictures and write in the space provided. So look at this picture. This is the picture of tiger. Now let us count it. 1, 2, 3. So here we will write T, H, R, E, E. 3 T I G E R S. S is added. 3 tigers. Now come to this picture. This is a picture of ball. Now count the picture. 1, 2, 3, 4. So here you will write F O U R 4, B A L L. Now S will be added. 4 balls. Now come to this. What is this? Star. Now let us count how many stars. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So here you will write 6 stars. S T A R S. 6 stars. Now let us come to this. What is this? This is cards, playing cards. So how many cards? 1, 2, 3. So let us write T H R E E 3 C A R D S is added. Cards. Now come to this. What is this? Girl. How many girl? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now write down F I B E 5 G I R L S is added. You have to add S for 5 girls. For many girls, S will be added. Now come to this. What is this? Book. How many book? Let us count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So here you will write E I G H T 8 books. B O O K S. 8 books. S you have to add for many books. Now look at this. What are these? It's a bouquet of flowers. So flowers. So let us count how many flowers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So you have to write 9 N I N E. 9 flowers. F L O W E R S. 9 flowers. S you have to add. Now what is this? Toy. So how many toys? 1, 2. So write down T W O 2 T O Y S. Toys. S you have to add. Now look at this picture. What is this? This is a tree. Now count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So you will have to write F I V E 5 T R E E S will be added. Trees. Okay children. So here we have learned that S will be added for many. Some naming word S will be added, like tiger, tigers, ball, balls, star, stars, card, cards, girl, girls, book, books, flower, flowers, toy, toys, tree, trees. So this is your C work. You have to do it. And today is 21st May 2021. This is your C work. Now let us come to the next worksheet. Worksheet number 2. Now look at the following words. 1 tomato, 5 tomatoes. Here you see ES is added. ES extra add hai. 1 watch, 2 watches. ES is added. 1 brush, 2 brushes. So here ES is added for many. For many, some naming word, कुछ naming words पे ES add होता है for many. 1 bush, 2 bushes. 1 glass, 3 glasses. See, es is added. 1 box, 4 boxes. Always remember, we add es to some naming word to change them into many. So here tomato, when you want to change this tomato into many, es will be added. Tomato, tomatoes. Watch, watches. Bush, bushes. Glass, glasses. Glasses. Box, boxes. Now let's come on to worksheet number 2. Here in worksheet number 2, add es to the following naming word to make them more than one, like bus. So here you will see that कोई भी word जो end होता है s के साथ, we usually write es with the many. So here you see s, the word bus is ending with s. So you will, when you convert this bus into many, so it will be bus and es will be added. For class, here s is the last letter, so it will be convert into many by adding es, classes. Now here ch, किसी भी word का last जो letter to letter is ch है, then here इस word को भी जब many में change करेंगे, we add es, matches, matches. Similarly, when the word is ending with o, then es will be added for many, mangoes. Okay, like o, hero, it will be heroes, es will be added. Potato, o is the last letter, so here it will be convert into many by adding es, potatoes, potatoes. See, es is added. Like in mosquito, o is the last letter, so es will be added for many, mosquito, es is added. Now here you see dish, again sh. If the word ending with sh, then to convert it into many, es is added, dishes. The word ending with box, x, then es will be added to convert in many, es, boxes. To word ending with ch, then it will be convert into many by adding es, churches. Yes. So always remember that the words, naming words which that end in o, s, x, ch, sh, s, will usually add es to change them into many. For example, bus, buses, es is added. Class, classes. Match, matches. Mango, mangoes. Hero, heroes. Potato, potatoes. Mosquito, mosquitoes. Dish, dishes. Box, boxes. Church, churches. Now, let us come to some new word. 3. Read these words given below and put them in appropriate boxes. One example is given for you. Key, baby. Family, fairy. Monkey, day. So in box A, you have to write down the words with a consonant before Y. For example, B-A-B-Y, baby. तो y के बिफोर जो वर्ड है, लेटर है, दैट इज कॉन्सोनेंट. b is a consonant. So in similarly you have to find out from these words. Here family, l is a consonant before y, so write down this family, family, l is consonant, family, y के पहले जो लेटर है, that is consonant. So here you have to write those words in box A. Now let us find out this fairy, F-A-I-R-Y. Here R is the consonant before Y. So let us write it F-A-I-R-Y. Fairy. Now here in this box B, you have to write the word with the vowel before Y. So here see, key, K-E-Y. E is before Y. Key is a vowel. Now here, let us see, monkey, M-O-N-K-E-Y. Here E is the vowel before Y, so it will come in box B, monkey. Next is day. So A is a vowel before Y, so let us write in this box B. Now here, again read it. When we want to convert this baby, babies, here IES added, Y is converted into IES. जब भी किसी Y कॉन्सोनेंट के पहले कोई कॉन्सोनेंट है किसी भी वर्ड में, लास्ट लेटर Y और उसके पहले कोई कॉन्सोनेंट है, then that word will be converted into many. That Y will be exchanged with IES. Y will be removed by IES. So BABY, baby, babies. ये Y जो है ये हटके IES लग जाता है. किसके लिए? Those words with a consonant before Y. किसी Y, वैसा वर्ड जिसका लास्ट लेटर Y है और उस Y के पहले का जो लेटर है दैट इज कॉन्सोनेंट. फॉर एग्जाम्पल फैमिली, सो LIES, Y will be removed. Fairy, Y will be removed. Fairies, FAIRIES, fairies. Now come to next type of word, key, KEY, key. यहाँ जो E है that is vowel before Y, so here only S will be added. ऑलवेज रिमेंबर, जब भी किसी वर्ड में लास्ट लेटर Y है और उस Y के पहले का लेटर कॉन्सोनेंट है, देन तब उसको आप जब व्हेन यू आर गोइंग टू कन्वर्ट इट इनटू मेनी, दैट Y विल बी रिप्लेस्ड बाय IES. Y हटके उसकी जगह पे IES ऐड हो जाता है, लाइक इन बॉक्स A. सी, we change Y into IES to make them more than one if the word has a consonant before Y. Like this in box Y A, ये जो word है which is having consonant, B is a consonant before Y. So here when you convert this baby into more than one, so it will be Y will be replaced with IES, BABIES. So babies is the many and baby is one, singular. And in box B, here the word is having vowel before the Y. Here the last letter is Y. Y before Y, the vowel is there. Then only S will be added to convert them into many. इनसे many में convert करने के लिए सिर्फ आपको S ऐड करना है. लेकिन अगर किसी word के लास्ट लेटर Y है और उसके पहले का लेटर जो है वो कॉन्सोनेंट है और उस वर्ड को जब हम many में कन्वर्ट करते हैं तो ये Y को रिप्लेस करके we will add IES. Okay children, now let us come to this. Question number 5. This is your H work. So here trophy. Here H is consonant before Y. So here for many it will be TROPHIES. So IES will be added instead of Y. Now here body. D is a consonant. So it will be convert into many. BODIES. Y हट जाएगा. Now here see story. इन स्टोरी Y बिफोर Y के पहले क्या है? वॉवेल है. तो इसमें क्या करेंगे? IES नहीं ऐड करेंगे. जस्ट इसको मेनी बनाने के लिए we will write the spelling of story and we add S to convert them into many. Story, stories. Now come to city. Here T is before Y. T is a consonant बच्चों, तो Y हट जाएगा. CIT and then we will write IES. IES is added to convert city into many. Now come to story. Here R is consonant before Y. So to convert them into many, we have to remove Y and add IES. Stories. Now tray. Here A is vowel before Y. So here just add S after Y. Trays. To convert it into many. Now day. Day is having A is a vowel before Y. So just add S after Y to convert into many. Days. Family. Here L is a consonant before last letter Y. So here Y will be replaced. Y हट जाएगा और L के बाद क्या ऐड करेंगे? IES. So my dear children, this is your today's homework. Now come to this one also, like fairy. In fairy, R is a consonant, so what you will write? FAIR. I को हटाकर IES ऐड करेंगे. Now boy, here O is a vowel before Y, so just add S after Y to convert into many. सब boy के बाद S ऐड करेंगे. Country, COUNTRY. Here R is a consonant before Y, so here COUNTRIES. Y को हटा देंगे और उसके जगह पे IES ऐड करेंगे many में convert करने के लिए. Now here all of you see in donkey, E is the letter vowel before Y. So here just add S after Y to convert into many. So here children, you have understood. So this is your H work. Question number 5, page number 20. Okay children, so today we have learned how to convert singular into plural noun. In singular noun, some singular nouns are there. When we convert them into plural noun, just we add S, and some naming words are ending with S, CH, O and SH and X. Then those kind of words, ES will be added to convert them into many. Some words are having consonant before their last letter Y. So such words are converted into any by removing Y with the IES is added and Y is removed. Last letter Y is removed. But some word which is having vowel before the last letter Y, then S will be added after Y in order to convert them into many. And my dear children, so today's C work is you have to do page number 14, page number 18 and page number 19 is your C work and page number 20 is your H work. So we will meet again in the next class. Bye bye.